Okay, everybody, it is time to continue learning about logarithms. So today, what I want to talk about is solving log equations. Okay, so we're going to be solving, solving logarithm equations. Okay, here we go. Example 1. Well, it's a log equation, so how do I solve this? Solve for x is weird. I know, let's change it from log form to exponential form. So it really could be written as 3 to the 4th power equals a 2x plus 6. All right, well, there's the log's gone. It's changed from log form to exponential form. Now 3 to the 4th is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So I really got an 81 equals 2x plus 6. Okay, now it gets easy. 81 equals a 2x plus 6, right? Minus 6, minus 6. What's that, 75, I think? 75 equals 2x divided by 2, divided by 2. 75 divided by 2, what's that, 42 and a half, I think? I don't have a calculator, I should, but I think that's 42 and a half. Probably ought to grab a calculator. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just need a calculator. Okay, what is 75 divided by 2? I'm pretty sure it's like 45, 42 and a half, but 37 and a half. Oh, good thing I checked, huh? X equals 37.5. Now, before we go any further, we know that you cannot take the log of 0. Not okay, no bueno. And you can't take the log of a negative number, okay? No bueno, okay? So this answer is fine. 37.5 plugged in does not make us have an answer of 0 or of negative 1. So we've got to check our answers sometimes. Okay, example 2 is nearly identical to example 1 except for our bases. Invisible, it is a base of 10. So let's rewrite it. 10 to the 2 power equals 5x minus 2, okay? I'm just going to change it from a log form to exponential form. 10 squared then, of course, is 100, right? Equals a 5x minus 2. I'll solve. I'll go plus 2, plus 2. 102 equals 5x. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Let's see what that is. What is 102 divided by 5 is about 20.4. Better check my answer. That should work. 5 times 20.4 minus 2 is okay. We'll have a positive answer, okay? Example 3 isn't a log equation, but it's going to be once I change it. So 10 to the 2x plus 3 equals 6. What do? Well, I'm going to change it to a log form. Instead of from exponential form, change it to a, so we'll go log base 10, which we can do on our calculator, of 6 equals our exponent of 2x plus 3. So I'm changing it from exponential form to log form. So log base 10 of 6 equals 2x plus 3. Okay, log base 10 of 6. Well, I can use my calculator for that. Log of 6. Now that is log base 10 because it's my common log. And I get decimal. I get about a 0.778. I get a 0.778 equals 2x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to solve. Minus 3, subtract 3, and I get about a negative 2.22. I get a negative 0.222, I guess. 22. Yeah. Oops, I got the decimal in the wrong place. There you go. Equals 2x divided by 2, and I get an answer of about negative 1.11. And negative exponents are okay. That is okay. You can have a negative exponent, you just can't have a negative log. Okay, example 4. If I want to do example 4, first we're going to divide by 3. Let's get the 3 out of there, because 3 e to the x is divide by 3. Get rid of the 3. Boom, cancel it out. So I've got an e to the 2x equals 4. Now, same thing. I'm going to change to log form. Instead of log base 10, we'll go log base e. So I'll go ln of 4 equals 2x. Okay, so log, like log base 4 log base e of 4 equals 2x, but log base e is the natural log if you're not sure. Anyway, ln of 4, what is that? Well, that's what my calculus for. ln of 4 is a 1.36, 1.386 equals 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and I get an answer about 0.693. Approximately 0.693. Okay? All right, now let's turn the page. Of course, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay, now solve for x log equation. Ooh, what's going on here? Well, if I could bring these two logs together, log base 4 of x minus 4 plus, I got too many logs, so I'm going to bring these together. I'm going to go and use the rules that we learned a couple of days ago. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 4 of, now I want to put these together, of an x minus 4, oops, sorry about that, x minus 4, let me make this more neat, x minus 4 times x equals log base 4 of 5. Boy. Okay, now here's what I know. Log of 4, cancel that out. We learned that rule 2 days ago. So here's what I have. I've got really an x minus 4 times x equals 5. Okay, well, x squared, distribute, minus 4x equals 5. Need to solve. Looks like I'm going to need to factor. So I'll bring the 5 over. I'll subtract the 5, right? And I'll have then x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Looks like it factors. I think I can factor that into x minus 5, x plus 1. From my many equations, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 1. But I have to be careful because one of the things we've talked about is logs cannot be 0. Okay, right? I know that rule, so I'm going to throw out the negative 1 because right here, if I have a log of negative 1, it won't work. I'm done. Check it out. Seriously, log, clear. Log negative 1, no bueno. Bad answer. Okay? Okay, now, example 6 is very similar. Okay? We're going to bring them together as a single log. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 2 of, and let's bring these together, of an x times an x minus 2 equals 3. Now I can't cancel the logs. I can't cancel log, but I can change this to exponential form. So we go to 2 to the third, exponential form. 2 to the third power equals x times x minus 2. Okay? It looks like a regular old algebra problem. 2 to the third is 8 because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And I'll distribute x squared minus 2x. Looks like I might need to factor, so I'll bring the 8 over and set it equal to 0. X squared minus 2x minus 8. And then I'll factor that. Looks like it does factor. How about a minus 4 and a positive 2? But those are the many equations. If I solve for both, I'll have an x equals a 4 and x equals a negative 2. And aha, you're probably thinking we can't use the negative 2. You're correct, because it can't equal negative 2, but 4 will work. Okay, so just 4. All right, here's your homework. Page 202. I will be back Friday, page 202, 43 to 50 all. Okay, if you have any questions, help each other out. Okay, that's all I got to say.